And we're live on the... You know me, Bob. My nipple don't jump out today. Trey, you're looking really rough.
Well, I'm going to fix up. Hi guys, today I'm going to fix up.
You'd have to say hello first.
Wait.
What are you looking for?
None of your business.
None of my business, but it's in my drawer. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic and
foolishness.
So that's not the plan. Happy Tuesday everybody. Okay, so Tracy said she had wanted to get ready on camera, and one of the things that she had wanted to do was she wanted to try out this viral tear. Wait, I need a plug in. I hope my boob doesn't hang out. Was try this viral tear product for you guys to all see. I had it on last week, and yes, so it comes with your little, what is this? Sponge on top, and you're supposed to use it with a sponge. Show the people.
I'm trying.
Okay.
I'm doing demos as you talk.
All right, my girl.
So continue.
All right. So when you open, you have your sponge that's labeled, and then when you open now, you have, so this is going to keep your product moist. You're supposed to use your applicator sponge and dampen down into this yeah, there you go.
But you're also supposed to use this now and work it into the sponge a little bit, right?
Right. Oh yes.
You're supposed to use it into the sponge a little bit, right? And this is supposed to take, this is supposed to be concealer as well as full coverage.
So, oh really? That's what I said? Okay.
Yes. That's what the girl said. I don't know if this is my color though. As you can see, I really feel like there's nothing on this. So let's go. Let's work it out.
Is it foundation? So it can be used as a foundation or a concealer. This is what Tracy said, the girl said, but we don't know who this girl is.
She's the girl, the makeup girl that, like, she's a fun makeup girl.
Michaela?
No, a white girl, and she recently dyed her hair like a baby pink.
Jamaican?
No, foreigner. She does a lot of...
You're moving very quickly. Is that Tracy's color? She says she doesn't think it's her color, it's my color. But we're not going to keep buying multiple colors if we don't like the texture and the feel of how the product is. How do you find it's applying?
Well, I find
it's actually not bad at all.
A little goes
so
along.
Much tumps. So lots of facial tumps.
Last time, I tell you, I like to bully. I'm a facial bully.
Facial bully.
So I'm going to kind of go back in for some of my... No, it was like this white girl, and she's really cute. Like, when I say cute, like strawberry shortcake type cute, like this. Yeah. Anyway.
Facial bully.
Yeah, I think it.
The girl is beating her face. You want to hear? Can you guys hear? This is makeup SMNR. They don't call it beat for nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Jodi Stewart cute. Jodi Marie. No, Tracy. So I didn't mind the texture and the feel of it on my skin. I just thought that it was like when you put it on, it dried too quick. So it didn't move around enough for me to like blend it in.
That's because you needed to work faster like me.
Okay.
You needed to work faster. This is definitely not my color. I don't
think it's looking bad though.
I'm looking very porcelain. But I tell you, it feels very light on my face.
Okay,
like,
so build it up.
Yeah. So I don't feel like I have anything on, but it's very light, and I'm getting full coverage because I have not done any concealer under my eyes, and that looks really good. This is my third dab, because the forehead is big, you understand? So I can't just go there with no...
So can I show, they're noticing my sweat in the background. Remember we had a conversation
last week Oh, my bonnet is dropping. Save the bonnet.
Put it back on?
Yeah. No, not all on the forehead. The forehead is getting made up.
So, I blinged out my Dutty sweater.
Wow, Joe, by yourself?
Oh, yes. Well, I was trying to get somebody to do it for me, and then I remembered, I was like, why don't I do it myself?
That's
After
right.
all, I am the girl who blinged out the RETV mic.
That's right.
So, I'm not sure why I would need anybody to do this
Girl
myself.
independence. Na, 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 na.
I mean, I wouldn't go that far. So here's my bling, and I'm going to drop in a video over on YouTube, just a time lapse of me blinging it out, because I know some of you don't believe me, but I actually did it myself. So so yeah, you can't really see it on the YouTube. You can see it on the YouTube there you go. Yeah, so that's that.
Alright, so I'm finished with my makeup application. And I am really happy with it. Like, I'm not a makeup girl, for one. And I feel like it's covered everything I need to cover. Including, well, the main thing I need to
Mom,
cover.
it's mine.
The main thing I need to cover is my under eye circles, my eye, because those are natural. I was just born with dark eyes. God bless me with that. Nobody can have everything. I thought Camila McDonald had everything, but then saw her
toes?
Her toes. She can't have everything.
She can't have everything?
No.
You say she don't have pretty toes?
No, she doesn't, but she has everything else. So it's okay. Like, I can't have everything. I had to get the under eye circles. I have everything else.
That's what brings you down, your under eye circles?
That's what brings me down. It's the only thing that brings me down. The only thing.
Alright, no problem. Alright, guys, you can check out allseanpaul.com to get your Dutty merch. And I loved my sweater, and I was like, I want to just kind of jazz it up a little bit.
Speaking of Camila, have you guys tried out her new
We got all our food on Saturday from the new Camila's Kitchen down in Marketplace. So if you were unable to make it to her original kitchen up on Skyline, you can check her out down in Marketplace. And she has lunch specials, she has juices, she has desserts, and she has the famous nachos.
They are so good.
She has a jerk mushroom wrap. She also has a bean burger. Everything tastes absolutely amazing. She has smoothies.
The salads are so good.
Yes. So you guys can check her out. She's over in Marketplace. Definitely recommend. Like, it's, what does she call, eating idle is vital, but she calls it, like, you know, when you eat healthy, you feel good. I forget her what you call it, her slogan that she says, but really and truly after eating the meal we felt good about ourselves. Tracy, the blush smile. I got my Dutty shirt. Now I want it in purple, but the color is not on the site. I know. Listen, Drew and I were talking about it today. I'm going to see if I can take over the merch, because I have some great ideas, and I could
That's such a good idea, Joe.
I could invoice him later for my services.
Wifey duties. That's nice. That's nice. Be involved in your man.
And be involved in my man. Alright, what do we
So
have here?
good.
Oh, alright. I'm noticing we have the big bag today. Lady B treating us special.
Lord, I'm so glad Lady B treating me special.
So you don't put on any bronzer? Like, just to kind of shade out your head top a little?
I have hair.
Ali Bird, I'm not answering you.
What she said? She commenting on my
Oh, that's my favorite one. Today I'm drinking my favorite.
So what am I supposed to do about these eyebrows? Give me something to brush
Grapefruit
them up, no?
Rosemary Delight.
Okay. Give me something to brush up my eyebrows.
So, brush up your eyebrows. Lady B was supposed to be here today. She's going to talk to us about why she's not here. So we're just waiting for her. She's not feeling 100%, so we do send her
Again?
still. So we're going to talk to her when she's feeling a little bit better, and you know, she just didn't feel 100%. And you know, when you're on the show, you want to be nice and bubbly. We're going to ask all the questions, and we don't want you to miss anything. So whenever she's ready, we'll welcome her on, and she'll soon be feeling better.
Well, I hope so. I don't like to know that.
Yeah.
That's really terrible.
So hold on, you just pin back here for 2 seconds, bring it forward, and it looks blow dry. There we go. Alright.
So I want to also thank Kloset Klutch for coming through with these delightful outfits. I like the color on mine a lot. It's not a regular color, it's a up color. It's a little...
So today I'm
Your
bringing...
boobs look really good in that.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like really good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So I guess you could call this a palazzo pant, and it's lined. It has the ruching in the back, so, you know, I just feel like I feel like this would be perfect to go to Europe, you know?
That's nice.
And we have some nice, like, little Easter colors. Wow.
Well, this is me. It's just a cute little...
It's not a romper?
No, it's not a romper this week, guys. Sorry about that. But it's just, it has pockets.
I like the style of the... Yeah, that's really cute.
It has pockets on both sides.
Does this come in another color?
This isn't the color I would personally choose for myself, but I think the design is really nice, and I think this color would look great on somebody darker, like a darker tone, somebody more caramel.
This style is really cute, though. I'm not gonna lie.
I love the color is what's doing it for me. The color is what's doing it for me. I think it's really cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not my color, but
we're doing Euro vibes.
These are definitely Euro vibes. I'm too yellow to wear this.
It's very similar to your undertone color.
Yes.
It's giving the Sound of Music and Devil Wears Prada. Love them. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Where is my lady B? What did she give for me?
Here's your straw. You have the Summer Passion.
Oh, I
want to taste, and I want to see like if this rosemary one is still my favorite. I think it is. I definitely think it is. It's just it's unbeatable. It's absolutely unbeatable. I love that one. Trey Winsome says she likes this one.
Oh, thank you.
It's my birthday too, guys. 53.
Who?
Sidney.
Oh wow!
Happy birthday!
Wow.
Happy 53rd birthday.
As Stevie would say, happy birthday, I'm a friend. One more year pon them.
I can't believe Stevie, you know, I'm just heading from Devon House with my nice salad, and all of a sudden she's in the back busting up a busy signal.
Oh, Lady B did not play.
Ooh.
She did not play with that one, Papa.
Wow.
Definitely.
It depends on which fruit you like more. I can't.
She did not play with that one.
Alright, so the Summer Passion has, it's made with real passion fruit, lime juice, natural sweetener. And then we have, of course, you know, my favorite, which is grapefruit, rosemary, tequila, and natural sweetener. I don't know.
You love passion fruit.
I love passion fruit, yeah. I like the fruits that, when they come off of the tree, they're not like super sweet. You know what I mean? Like they have like little to them. So I think that's why I like the grapefruits. I like the passion fruit. This is
my
wonderful.
head is looking so big today. Look at that. There's so much going on with this head. Oh, terrible.
So what you have to do?
It's terrible.
In a case like this,
I just can't. I need to like hide some of it.
no, in a case like this, what you do, right? You have to, no, wait, before you come up here, you have to shade out the big part.
Yeah.
Right? So, boy, girl, you really want to go turkey and bring your hairline to like at least there.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you'd have to take so much out of the back parts of your hair. Like your forehead could go at least like this.
Yeah.
You have like 2 inches of extra forehead, and it's not like it's to contain any brain.
I think it was supposed to, but I just...
But something happened.
Yeah, bring it down to my cheeks and you
That's not how this works.
Oh, no?
No, you're just shading out your forehead.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, the side of your face is okay. So you're creating like... So we're creating light in the middle. So the darkness like sets it back.
Boy, my forehead looks really big today, guys. Like, this is a big forehead day. Wow. Drew says no, we love the big forehead. Wow.
Well, I'm just glad for Rihanna. She made big forehead styling. So I enjoy seeing Stevie and Remy together. They are both growing so fast. Very true. Very true.
They're so funny together too.
They're very funny.
They love to beat up each other and they cry for each other.
You don't hear a little ping, ping?
That?
No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I actually have a ear infection, so I'm on antibiotics. And I've been on antibiotics now. I have 2 more days of antibiotics, but my ear is still clogged.
I think today is just an ugly day.
I don't think you're ugly. A big forehead doesn't make you ugly. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I just
My
don't...
forehead looks big too.
Oh, so it's not
What
just
the hell?
Oh, okay. I'm like, this is looking... We look awful.
Riri introduced our hairline today. Whoa.
Alright.
There's not enough makeup for this forehead. Like, see, I could go turkey and then take out like you have 2 inches. I have an inch of extra forehead. See, I could take my hairline to at least here. So if I was to wear
if I was to go to Turkey, I would want the same hairline as JLo. She has a really nice hairline.
JLo has nice features individually, but put all together, I don't know, put all together, I thought she would have looked different with her, you know?
No, I think she has... No, I think she's a pretty girl. I think she's always been a pretty girl.
She aging though.
Anyway, Father's Day is coming up. Hello, she's 50 odd, and do you see her wiggling her bumper? Because you can't even do that now currently.
It's not because of my age why I can't wiggle my bumper. I was just never able to wiggle my bumper.
Okay.
You both look lovely, but the camera angle would have been more centered instead of above. So, yeah, but then... So you know what is centered? The YouTube is centered.
Technical department never getting it
Technical
right.
department, I tell you, said,
Never getting it right.
Peace.
Anyway, so Father's Day is coming up. To all those dads in the house,
Thanks, Toy.
we would like to celebrate with you with Strictly Cookies cookie jar. So this Strictly Cookies cookie jar that we have this week is pretty much catered for the fathers. It is a stout flavored cookie jar.
Ooh.
Stout. So let me first of all finish up what I'm doing and then I'll say. This is Stout and Things. It's coffee cookies, stout cream cheese, rum and raisin whipped cream, and grape nuts.
I fucking love grape nuts. It's so weird. I love grape nuts.
So I just want to also say,
Don't drop out.
before we continue, that today I got to take off my braces. I no longer have to wear them.
Oh yeah, I can see where they clean them. So let me see. So you do have a retainer? Open him out. See
My
now?
retainer is I will sleep with it in the nights.
Okay. So you don't know?
I'm done.
Whoa, Trey, how long did that take you?
6 months.
You lying?
Yeah.
Mine not budging or rotted.
Maybe you should go and see Dr. Kirk.
Oh my god. Nobody else shares opinion? I heard it.
Right, yeah.
Sean has a phone.
Wow, is this what we're doing right now? We're finding Sean's secret phone?
It's bothering me. It went ping, ping, ping.
Oh. Are we going to go through his messages? Okay. This cookie jar is a totally different flavor palette from all of her other cookie jars. 100%. Her other cookie jars are very like light flavors, and this one is definitely a warmer flavor. It's the coffee mixed in with the stout. Hold on.
I need another bite. No, give me a grape nuts. I am a grape nut girl.
I'm not.
You're not?
No.
I love to give my teeth a test, you know?
The cream cheese stout
Is amazing.
is doing it for me.
Okay, I think this is one of my favorites she's done.
And the coffee cookies, it's so warm. You know, the flavors are so warm. I love this. I love this. And the flavor of the stout is so distinctive.
Grape nuts are from the seeds of the grapes.
Oh, this is a great cookie jar.
This one is really good.
Mm-hmm. So this is our Father's Day cookie jar.
Does nobody else heard it? Or I haven't heard it since.
Okay, so I wanted to speak today about, not necessarily about the incident, but just like it brought up other issues for me. What, Jodi?
Sorry, I was wondering what incident.
Oh, Valiant knocking off thing there off of his bike. What's your guy's name again? I heard it.
You heard it?
Valiant knocking off. What's your guy? He knocked off again off of the bike.
The
Health
guy
minister.
is Dr. Christopher Tupton, our health minister. Oh, the guy.
He's a guy. Dr. Christopher Tupton.
You've been knocked off a bike?
I don't ride bikes. I wouldn't be riding a bike on the road to get knocked off of. First of all. And second of all.
This one is about.
You know, I just wanted to say that, have you guys ever been on the road and the bike riders are riding? Like, there's no space for them. The roads in Jamaica don't give way for bike riders. I think the roads need to give way for bike riders. Like, there needs to be a lane for them.
So hold on. You think the bike riders them are gonna get a lane when we don't even have sidewalk for the side?
This is what I'm saying, though.
We don't even have enough road for the taxi man them. If anybody needs another lane, it's the taxi man them so that they can go along their merry way without overtaking and going so quickly. But we just don't have enough space on the road full stop.
Like, I just don't understand urban and planning development. Like, how that works out. Like, because it's just not in Jamaica. Like, it's just like, everything was so, like, not thought well.
Strictly cookies, whatever you put in here, the stout and the grape. This is my favorite jar. By far.
It's very
Stout,
good.
I was like, stout.
It's very good.
That means I'm a real Jamaican, because the real Jamaicans go to Devon House and they love the stout ice cream.
Why are you being so quiet?
Jodi, if you're busy, tell that glass of fine wine, I love old time. No more space. I thought the stout would have been too strong.
No.
Yeah, I was like, okay,
Salt is perfect.
Perfect.
So, Kloset Klutch is here. That's my Irish bra. And these are their clothes that we're wearing. You can order it from there. No, so let me tell you, right? Yeah, they need to rework, like,
How are they going to redo it though?
I don't know. But then stop building so much apartments and concentrate on other things. Like, honestly, they're building new roads and they're not building them with any new specs. Like, in Europe, there's roads for bikers and walkers. Like, that's how people get around. Like, when you don't, and our public transportation system is not that great. So why aren't you making space for people to have a way to get around safely? Bike riders and walkers. Like,
Okay.
it's ridiculous.
So in 2024, the year of Derek Morgan's internet, right? How would you, at this late point in the game, change things? So if I was the KSAC, the first thing that I would do is, for right now, put a pause on all building of apartment buildings, right? Then what
Because
I would
we
do,
need more parks as well.
right? And then then I would look into a proper transportation system, as in putting in a proper transportation system. So many years ago, the same people who went to India, in India, you know, the cow is a holy,
Sacred.
it's a sacred animal. So if the cow stand up in the road, you have to go around it. They're not going to push a cow out the road or whatever. They were able to implement a proper transportation system in India. Whether it's successful now, I don't know. They came to Jamaica and everything was just so unruly and up in the air that they left. And yet they were able to do it in India. I think that if we had a proper transportation system, and then we need, for when you take your car into be fitness, if it's past a certain age, if it's not able to be passed, you can't pay for it to be passed.
Yeah.
That is part of the problem.
Yeah.
Then you're not allowed to bring cars in, ship cars in, or sell cars past a certain year. And they do that now. However, I think the years need to be a little bit more
Adjusted.
need to be adjusted. However, if you had an older car that may not be the most reliable for you anymore because it's older, you would then have a proper transportation system in which you could take. Once these things are there, then you can start looking into, okay, let's repave the roads. Something needs to be done underneath the tar of the road. The tar and everything, when it rains, it's being dug up because what is underneath is just stone and gravel. There's no, like when you look in the States, it's like a concrete block, right? So when you have that concrete block, the foundation of the road is not proper.
In Jamaica.
Right? That's why Benson, every time it rains, Benson keep digging up with these deep potholes. The fording, you'll see there's concrete block, it separates from the road. So the foundation isn't proper. Right? Then the government needs to start telling houses that have built and encroached on space of the road that, hey, you need to move over. And then they need to start looking into proper sidewalks where the sidewalks can be used by our pedestrians. And as far as I'm concerned, from what I remember from the rules of the road, the pedestrians have the right of way over the cars. When you see somebody walking in the hot sun, I'm sorry, but they have more of a priority than you sitting down in your car in air conditioning. And I think that they need to be able to have somewhere safe to walk where maca, bush, all that. And then you need to look at the houses and say, listen, if you don't cut that back and you don't keep your hedge neat and nice for the pedestrians to walk, you're going to be fined.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not, and you need to start, instead of everything friend, and, oh, your car is old, just slide me a smalls. At some point, we're going to have to take accountability, and at some point, we're going to need to stand up and say, you know what, I can't do that anymore because we need to grow as a nation, we need to grow as a country, and if I keep accepting money because you want to keep passing your ladder, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Right? Then there's something that needs to be done with the taxi men. Similar to how you have in New York City, you buy a medallion, right? So let's say I own the taxi cab company, right? But I'm able to lease my cars out to register drivers. And you buy a medallion. And the medallions are cheap. They're really, really expensive. But when you go in, right, to get your medallion, there's things that you need to show, have, whatever. So even if I leave something in a taxi car, once you know their medallion number, the chances of you getting it back are pretty high because that person doesn't want to lose their medallion.
Yeah.
They don't want to lose their license. Too heavy trucks running on the road, contractors don't fix them back. That too, mommy. So then you would also be fined. So you have Mr. Man who, instead of sitting in his AC office chuckling back and collecting money on people, yeah man, you want to bill a billing? Give me a fine, we'll pass it. You drive around the roads and you say, sir, you own this house, you need to look after your hedge, your sidewalk. You're doing this contracting here, this building. Okay, when will you be finished? Because you've dug up the road, you dug up this, whatever. I'm going to be coming here in a couple of months. I'm giving you a citation. If this is not fixed, you're going to be heavily fined.
Yeah.
The country have more car than road. Traffic is disgusting. It's terrible. But have you ever tried to drive in Trinidad? Get out and walk. Like, it's going to come to that. Traffic time in Trinidad is terrible, terrible.
It's really bad.
But they have doubles. Don't start me. Don't start me now. Look here, strictly cookies. This, for the father them, you better come good for Mother's Day too. No man, this something.
We ate the Mother's Day one already.
Oh yeah, Mother's Day gone. Father's Day, shell off. Taxi and bus drivers are some of the most traumatizing people you'll ever come across.
Wait, Trey, what do you think about him getting a hospital bed immediately thing as well?
Fairies. However, I'm going to be...
Well, can I say?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you. Well, let me just say this. For his stature in the public and who he is, he probably would have never gone to a local hospital, first of all. For who he is, he would have gotten medically treated at his home and put on bed rest at his home. The doctor would have visited him at his home. For anybody else that is of his, what would I want to say, stature? Is that a good enough word? Anyway, you understand what I'm saying. The person would have, they would have gone to his home. So I think he wanted to go to a public hospital to show that, like,
Did he go to a public hospital?
Well, he went to a hospital. And he got a bed immediately.
Not all hospitals are public.
What hospital? I don't know. I don't know about this. I haven't read that yet. I haven't read the article yet. I'm just saying from when Ali Bird said,
I agree.
what do I think about it? All I'm saying is that I think it was more to show that, like, he is one with the people and can get a bed. Not that he can get. He's one with the people and nothing is wrong with the hospitals, and that he is there at the hospital getting cared for nicely, and the hospitals are clean and
that's
equipped.
private. So
UAE is not private. What are you talking about? It's a schooling hospital.
it's a private hospital. You can't.
UAE
just
is not private.
Yes, it is.
UAE is not private.
Who are we talking about? I came on late. Hospital who? So where's my friend?
I didn't say it was a publicity stunt. That's not what I'm saying.
Andrew's hospital he went to. Where did he go?
I'm not sure. I don't know about this. I'm
If
just
somebody
saying.
he went to you. If somebody from the PHP had gotten injured, they would have done the same thing. And I think that when you are somebody of public stature or any kind of little notoriety, you too will get dealt with quickly, or you will get a bed. Is it the right thing? No. Is it morally right? No. Is it what happens in Jamaica? Yes. That is what Jamaica is built on. Who knows who? Who have this? Who have that? Who is recognized? As I said, is it right? No. Right? But the same thing would have happened if Mark got injured. He would have attention right away. So I don't think that is something to really focus on, and I'm sure at the time he was very scared. He was in pain. You know, being hit off of a bicycle, being hit down on the road. I'm sure that's a traumatic experience. But I believe that Valiant, who was driving the car allegedly, he took him in his car and took him to the hospital to get treatment. So Valiant, that was very valiant of you. You know, and he said, you know, no hard feelings. I'm sure he apologized. So sorry. And Christopher Tufton, you know, with his wrist injured, you know, was like, no, I'm not going to press charges, and you know, I'm sure he'll be fine. Tony Thwaites.
I don't think he went into Tony.
If he went into Tony Thwaites. Anyway,
I don't know. I just think it was good that
all countries are like that. I'm in Trinidad and it's the same. Who know who? Oh God, let me talk about the weddings coming out of Trinidad in the past 2 weeks.
Those weddings are...
You all have some royal money down there, boy.
Insane.
So there were 2 separate weddings. I don't remember the names of the bride and the groom on each side, and I'm not going to call any names. But let me tell you something. Some ras money in Trinidad.
It was so crazy.
Like the plebs like us are probably talking about the traffic. They're probably like, traffic in the sky? We just take the chopper.
I know. Those weddings were
crazy.
Insane. I wish I was invited to both.
Yes,
they looked gorgeous. I mean, wow. Talk about magical. Those are both 2 very magical weddings. And
I can't wait to see the photos.
And what Jodi and I were saying when we were talking about it, it was like all of the guests dressed up so nicely as well.
For one of the weddings, I found the dressing was a little bit more up. You know, there was one of the other weddings I saw. A lot of the girls had on some spandex dresses.
Yeah, but what is keeping Trinidad in a chokehold?
Shein
and Fashion Nova. They keep Trinidad in a chokehold, man.
When you walk in on Trinidad Road, you know, a bare Shein bag and Fashion Nova everywhere. Like you go in and pick up something from somebody's house. You're picking up money. You're picking up clothes. You're picking up something. You're picking up things in a Shein bag.
Like Shein has Trinidad in a chokehold. We were down there.
Oil money. Wait, whose wedding? We don't know. We don't remember the names.
We just saw it on our front pages.
Yeah, we just saw it on our front pages. So we saw it, and it was 2 separate weddings, and they took place. I believe they took place on the same weekend. Jeez,
when they were
fabulous.
I mean, white flowers from the roof, lit arches with flowers.
I had no idea so much white flower grow.
I had no idea you could do half of those things. Like they were just so magnificent.
Everything can be done, you know. You just have to be able to do it.
No man.
Ghana have that now. Facts tricky. Feed, right? Not on your front page. Well,
I don't know, but like that was amazing. Like I would love to have been invited to one of those weddings just to be there in that ambiance. Like it must have felt really like
rich and luxurious. Imagine the food. Oh God.
Can you?
No. Can you imagine that? You're getting the best of the best Trinidadian food. And I'm sorry, but let me tell you something. Trinidad has some of the best food in the Caribbean.
Agreed. Agreed.
Money talks, mama. Money talk. What does Daddy used to say? Money talks and bullshit walks.
Yeah.
Me not sure about the married part, you know. But throw me in a them wedding there. No groom necessary at the moment. Girl, have a party. Have a party. Who no related? Us? Somebody needs a vow renewal. So, I was saying that it's not a preference of whether they prefer Jamaican food or Trinidad food. I'm not starting that debacle. There's some Jamaican foods that I love top tier, and there's some Trinidad foods that I love top tier, and I cannot compare a patty to a doubles.
You can't.
You can't.
It's two totally different things. One is pastry and one is leavened bread. Is it leavened? Unleavened bread.
Yeah, so there's no competing. However, I've gone to Trinidad and I've had some amazing meals. Here in Jamaica, I've had some amazing meals.
Yeah.
I've gone to Ghana and I've gotten some wicked Chinese food. So, you know.
Yeah.
So, anyway. My ear is so clogged. Is there a doctor in the house?
My nose is clogged. Like, I'm so clogged.
But
right
no,
here.
I sound, Sean was saying, why do I sound like that? I was like, because my ear is clogged.
Oh, you were talking to Sean?
Yes, while I was getting ready this morning, he was in here talking to me. My husband is back.
Yeah. Husband is back. That's why you've been so happy today.
They met in a shopping mall and discovered they were twins separated by either parent. And now we're back together.
Yeah. It was hard knowing that.
Yes.
I always felt...
All things, Renee?
I always
Agreed.
felt like
there was
something
incomplete.
missing. Yeah, incomplete. And, you know, when I saw you in that Gucci store and I was with my Target bags, I just looked at you and I was like, wow, I wish I was her. And then she came out and she said, oh, wow, look at you, big shopper from Target. And then we just started chatting and it was just like that. We
bonded.
We bonded. Gucci and Target.
Saw you trying to hug me.
I was going in first.
There's a theme song and everything. You can't hear it in the faint background saying, sister, sister.
Ali Bird. Seriously.
Sean is not awake, so I'm gonna need to go and get Levi and Remy. But I have enjoyed thoroughly everything that we have had on the show today.
Oh my gosh,
I've really
it's been
enjoyed
good. Here.
Lady B's flavors today. Today we have summer passion, and as you guys know, we are
You
heading
see how I
into
had
summer.
Jodi the water money down? Nobody said that I don't pay for my own things and I just had her the water money.
The wad of money? You mean the cards Levi made? He made Pokemon cards. Oh, and he covered them in tape. He covered them in tape, Trey. He covered them in tape to laminate them. So it kind of looks like witchcraft, but they're Pokemon cards. So this one has a 15 on it, so I guess what do you guys do for a living? So I'm into the soft life, but my sister here, she works. So. Just joking. I do have multiple jobs. However, my source and streams of income are nothing compared to what is needed in this household. So my jobs are just for me feeling like I've accomplished something and that I can contribute if I want to. However, my little picky here and there, I bet you I soon start blinging out the sweaters. What Drew was gonna say I must charge? OnlyFans. I stopped doing that, you know. Stop doing that.
Yeah, your husband probably didn't like it.
Yeah, husband didn't like it, so I stopped the OnlyFans. My sister here is a hairstylist by profession. She's been doing it for over 10 years.
I've been doing it for 20 years. What are you talking about?
Stop showing your age. I'm also in the television industry. I do producing. I do on-air hosting. So I do a bunch of things. That's... Yes. Why would you like to say something else? Is it going to be something mean? I can take it. We clearly have a couple new people here today because I've been seeing oh yes, and I'm a landlady. Let me just...
Ali says I won't do her hair. Ali, that is not true. You have never called me for an appointment.
Can Tracy do natural hair? Well,
No.
she does my... I need a cut.
I do from... What
yeah,
is
you
it?
sound stuffy.
I'm very stuffy. I forget that.
Han Hair Hosting. Correct. Han Hair Hosting. And I used to actually do my YouTube where I could give you very fun tidbits, tips, and information However, I recently stopped that, but you can check out all of my YouTube videos. This video here will actually be available in high definition over on our YouTube channel. I will drop the link in the description down below. You can also check out our videos if you want to know how to put in a faucet. Well, not our business, you don't do anything. How to put in a faucet. I'm very handy around the house, and it's kind of funny because you'd never assume so, because I look like one of those little swoosh girls, but I actually know how to use a drill. You can also check out for lifestyle videos all on the channel. I will drop the link down below so you can check it out. You two are fabulous ambassadors of all things Jamaican and Caribbean. Blessings. I love them from Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I do from hairs.
Jodi's a bad girl and will mash up your car.
3B. So those are the hair types that I do. 1A to 3B.
Okay.
Okay. So when you are ready to do your hairs.
Tracy, you're having in hoops today. I'm in shock.
Me too. This is not my style.
Not your style?
Not my style.
Hi Tiffany, love you too. Just thank you for everybody for being here, all of you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day. And we hope, you know, we haven't given them a joke today. We need a joke.
You need a joke?
Yeah, I like when people are at work and then they're like, I'm in my office and I laugh till I fart and I have in my earphones.
Who said that?
I don't know, but I think that when
Who said that?
I don't know, but I feel like
nobody farts like you fart. You're such a farter.
Yeah, but I feel like
do people know that you fart this much?
I don't
know.
Like
you've probably farted 20 times since sitting down here.
No, because my farts are loud. I pop up. I don't go.
Stevie now thinks that farting is so funny.
It is.
She likes to fart and then be like, I farted. Ha ha ha.
It is. It's like, hilarious.
Okay. Yeah,
and I don't like when you shame people for it either.
But I think it's funny when you loud them up. Did you fart? Then they get shamed. Like you're supposed to just be like, yeah, sorry.
But my kids, I'm like, I fart. I'm like, okay. Can you say what you're eating again so you can check them out? There'll be links down in the description below. Strictly Cookies, and her cookie jar of the month is the Father's Day cookie jar. And let me tell you what's in here. So this is coffee cookies, stout cream cheese. Honestly, you need to try it. The stout cream cheese is out of this world. I am almost finished mine. Rum and raisin, whipped cream, and grape nuts. And I don't care what anybody says about grape nuts. Like,
you're a good sister.
If I had a fart, I'd fart on you right now.
You're a good sister. You're a good sister. You're a very good auntie to Stevie too.
Does anyone else fart and it go through your pum pum?
Who said that? That must be Ali Bird. No?
Tiffany O'Malley.
Tiffany, those are my favorite farts.
I didn't want to say anything, you know. It kind of like wakes up your front, you know? Because it's all sleepy, you know? Yeah, woo-woo. You know, not the little but the ones that go.
Brittany says she wants an outfit twirl. Okay, Brittany, I'll give you an outfit twirl. Kloset Klutch is on here, and they sent these outfits for us today. I love this little dress. The most thing I love about it the most is the neckline. I love that it's different. I think it would look really good if I styled it with a chain going through. It has pockets. Right? Sorry, this is my bra that Jodi said looked cheap and horrible, but anyway. It has pockets, so it comes in. Could have done with a little aisle before I came on, but you know, I think with espadrilles.
Oh, yes.
And styled properly, I think it's really cute. Oh, yeah. I think if I wore it with the espadrilles and put my hair up like half, pop half down, I think that would look really cute. I'm loving it. Jo?
Okay, and here I am. I'm feeling like, you know, what did Ali Bird say earlier? I feel like the hills are alive with the sound of music. So we have this kind of like, oh, it's not a flower. It's like a pink and purple tie-dye on this nice chiffon. And this top is so cute. I don't have my nipple covers today, so I need to be very careful. So I can do off the shoulder. Maybe I could do like, oh, I could do this too, but let's be careful. Let's be careful.
Yeah.
Right? And then this tie here actually.
You could even tie that up around your neck if you wanted to, eh?
And then the pants is like a palazzo pant. Loving it. Watch her, she gets a call. And this is my Dutty thing that I blinged out. Sound of music and cleavage. Thank you. I do like this one. This one is really nice. I like everything today. I love my cookie jar. I have, you know, I'm going to go my 2 favorite flavors. And then I have my outfit. It's giving soft girly. I agree. Tiffany who farts and it goes up into her chun chun. Those are the best ones, not going to lie. Oh, the beeping has stopped.
Sorry. I kidnapped Stevie's best friend after school, and their mom was just calling to see if she's Coco.
Yes, Kloset Klutch. You logged on late. I'm gonna drop in over on YouTube a time lapse of me doing the D. The D on the sweater. The letter D.
Oh! I was like, wow! You gave up OnlyFans.
So yes, and
Yeah.
I ordered my. Is that what we call a queef?
No. A queef is different. A queef is something that happens only during sex. And what a queef actually is air that is stuck up in the pum-pum. And then when the penis goes into the cavity, it lets the air out. So that's a queef. So that's an actual fart. But it's just air coming out of the pum-pum cavity.
So when a fart goes up the pum-pum, is that a part?
No, you mean when a fart comes to the
Pum-pum? Like you're sitting on your bum hole and
it's more like
it
a
comes
rolling
forward.
massage.
A rolling massage?
Yeah. A rolling massage.
Okay.
For the pum-pum, you know?
Those could be added online. Listen, I want big argument I'm having here earlier today, you know. Sure.
Yeah, but Jodi is going to take over the clothing, the merch.
We'll see.
For Dutty. Jodi's going to take over the
I
Dutty
want
merch.
to take it over.
I was saying you could tie this up the top around the neck.
Oh.
Yeah, that's cute. That's a style. That's a style, right?
Yeah.
And then just kind of like take these down a little bit.
Trey. Oh, cute.
I think that's a style. What do you guys think? That's cute.
I like it. I like it. Okay, let me
Yeah.
just keep these up for now because, you know, I'm a little scared, you know. Just have a nipple.
Jodi can wear anything.
No, I don't find so, you know. Sometimes some yellow colors on me just look off. Like the yellow has to be extremely bright and vibrant.
Yes.
No, put it up the shoulders. It has to stay up the shoulders because I don't want no nip slip on live. You can imagine? Jeez on peace.
Can you imagine?
I can't bother with the drama.
Yeah, you know, I'm not bad at styling. Oh, anyway, I'm looking for somebody who wants to help me decorate.
Challenge you to style a garbage bag next episode.
Me?
No, me. Maybe we could go, okay, both get garbage bags and then we can pull things from the closet to make it look like, you know. Okay, challenge accepted.
Oh, Ali Bird coming up with themes for our
Really?
show.
I think that's kind of cool.
I would like to do that. Challenge is to style a garbage bag, okay?
Where is Miss Chin from Spanish Town Hospital?
And where is Jodi? Jodi is not
Yes.
on here. I said to her, "Where have you been, Jodi?" And she wrote me back, "Me." And I was like, "Yes, you. What the heck? I haven't seen her online in a long time."
Style using only garbage? No. No.
Well, Jodi's garbage, not mine.
Well, I've given away 3 bags of, it's not garbage, it's just things that I no longer wear. Alright, my husband is still sleeping. I need to go and collect my children from school. Guys, make sure you check out this episode over on High Definition on YouTube. I'm going to drop in a video of me doing the D, letter D, from the bling out sweater. Would you shut up? And for the new watchers over here, head on over to the YouTube and hi Italy, buongiorno. You can check out some of the other videos that are more interesting. I love Tuesdays with Tricky, but some of those videos are so good. Like I put so much time and effort into them. Jeez.
I think I'm drunk.
Oh, I love that for you.
Well, I couldn't be any more drunk than I was last.
And you can
show.
head on over to Sean's website, allseanpaul.com, to get your merch.
No man, these
And-
big bags are deceiving. I'm definitely drunk. Look how much I've drunk.
Yes, it's like a 2-in-1.
Wow.
That flavor is really good. These flavors today are really good. Like these would be
And it's with tequila? Dude, what show was it that she really knocked me out at to go take a sleep?
oh yes, I remember. Tracy goes downstairs and I'm like blah blah, like, and I look on the couch. I was like, Tracy's sleeping.
Lady me like, I was so drunk from the liquor bag, but I don't know, and I drank it so fast because it tasted so good.
Yeah. So you can check out the flavors. You can check out Lady B. Will drop her down in the description below. So you can check out the flavors that she has coming up for the summer. How you can place your order. Because if the little bags aren't good enough for you, like you're like, I need more. You can also order. I order by the gallon.
Yes.
And you can check out. She also has popsicles and I believe kombucha. We've had kombucha from her before, right?
Was it kombucha?
It was in a glass bottle.
Was it beer?
Beer? Cider.
Yeah, but also just want to thank Strictly Cookies for coming through with this Father's Day Stout cookie jar. Please go to their Instagram at Strictly Cookies.
At Strictly Cookies JA.
And you will be able to, this is their logo, so look for this logo. And you will be able to place your order for your Father's Day cookie jars. And you can head on over to Kloset Klutch. They are here. See them there, right there. And
I saw a couple comments from last week. This lady was like, I used to shop there. I love their clothes.
yeah, I love them because they're very easy breezy. Like their style is very easy breezy. It's a very easy style. It's very like bohemian, like modern day bohemian.
Yeah.
You know, like it's not too bohemian, but it's
it's like they have nice elevated knockabout.
Yeah.
You know, and then I'm sorry, I could wear this out.
I found out you could wear that to
And then I love us separate because no, I'm realizing you can separate the separates. So I could wear this with a jean shorts and give it like a, you know how they wear those white cowboy boots now? Like if I wanted to be Gen Z, I could wear this, my jean shorts and some cowboy.
I just go borrow
H papers?
Huh?
Go borrow some H papers? Anyway, I need to go and wake up my husband.
I was going to tell you whose white cowboy boots to go borrow.
Alright, everybody, that is it for today's show. Alright. Very good. Check out all our sponsors down in the link below. Also, make sure you check out our YouTube channel. If you're over here on YouTube, please make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh, let me go make an appointment to do my toes because they're looking bad.
How do you rub off polish? What shoe? How does one do that?
Why did I bring attention to it?
Tracy. How did, no, God no.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Alright, that's it for today. I need to send Tracy home because
Stop looking.
Okay, no problem.
It doesn't get better the longer you look.
It looks like you took gasoline to remove your nail polish and it just... Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next week. Let's hope that by then Tracy has her toes done. I really need to show you what is going on down there. So you wear sandals? As a human being, you wear sandals? You wear slippers? Because you need to be in boogers. Like 24/7. If that is how your toes are gonna look.
You know, my friend got me a gift certificate to
Did
Lisa.
you use it?
I am so ashamed to go to Lisa. Just for this reason alone. Lisa's gonna tell you what's going on.
I'm gonna call her ahead of time to let her know to accept Quasimodo. I don't even know what that is. You know when you picture like Bigfoot in the outback for like a really long time and you imagine his feet, like imagine his feet with one pedicure. That's what's happening down there. You know?
I can't deny it. It's bad. It's bad.
I think like for one of those viral
and I
videos.
have cute toes too. The thing is I have cute toes.
Alright, that's enough for today because you're going too far now. We don't want to get into that, you know, and you start tell lies and all of that. We're just done for today. Everybody, thank you so much for joining. Make sure you check us out on YouTube, like and subscribe. And by next week, we're going to make sure that Tracy has had her toes, the whole foot done. And as a matter of fact, have you waxed? Maybe we should do the whole leg.
I waxed.
When? You waxed when, Tracy?
It's bad.
Tracy, God no, as a hot girl.
I haven't checked it out in a while.
If you went to any pedicurist in the whole of Jamaica and asked for white polish on your toes, they would not give it to you. Because you do not pass all of the check marks. Stop rolling up your underarm.
I wanted to see the hair. It grows a little, no?
It's not growing out a little. That's growing out a lot. Come, we have to go. You're going to shame yourself.
It's time again, no. Oh, Lord, man. It's hard.
Oh, hold on. Our comments were, taxi Tracy on her toe. Oh,
See, Scott is here. He loves me. My husband loves me.
Yeah, from the knees up, girl. From the knees up. From the knees up. Scott, he's a patient man. Patient man. Patient man. Patient man. Because, I don't know, it's like you're drinking like Rogaine or something because your hair growth is out of control. And then you pretend like, yeah, I waxed. Yes,
but look
Tracy,
at my
you waxed
legs. But look
at
at
the beginning
no,
of
but
the year.
Jodi, don't tell no lie. How much hair is on my leg? Don't tell no lie.
But each individual hair is pretty long, Tracy.
But Joe, there's no hair on my legs.
Alright guys, we're gonna
No,
go.
but serious as a judge.
I need to pick up my son from school. I can't be doing all of this.
It's not. There's no hair on my
Take your
legs.
toe off of my table, Tracy. No. I have to go. I have to go. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Bye. No, you're gone too far now. You're gone too far. No. You, Tracy, let me tell you something.
Joe, stop
no,
there.
no.